Hi YouTube, it's Autumn Beckman. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Remember one of my last videos, the I'm back video, I said that my job is in jeopardy potentially because of the budget at the school district, and I said that I wasn't going to be buying anything because I needed to save my money in case I need to pay rent with that money. And then I said watch my next my next video will be a Birkin unboxing, right? Well, it's not a Birkin, but it is Hermes. Let's see what I got. I got this from the RealReal, and the reason that I was willing to spend money on this, first of all, it was not very expensive, relatively speaking, and second of all, this is something that I have been looking for months, I would say, and when this came up, you know, it's not something you see often, so I took the opportunity to get it. I felt justified in getting it. So there's the packaging from the RealReal. It has this bubble wrap. It has the information, you know, the paperwork. Ooh, and there's my little item with the dust bag. And I think you can look inside, and if you're familiar with Hermes packaging, pretty obvious what that is. It's interesting that they put the box inside a dust bag. Here we go. In just a second, hold on. The ribbon was on the side, I moved it to the top. Okay. Trying to hold it from the side so it'll come out pretty for you. There we are. The little Hermes box. And if you don't know what it is yet, I'm not going to say. So you just, I don't like to untie these, I just push it to the side. I love their ribbon. It has the horse and carriage, the little buggy, and it says Hermes Paris. And then on top of the box it says Hermes Paris. And you open that up, and inside is a lovely piece of silk. And it is a Twilly. Oh, it has the tags on it. It has like all the brand new tags on it. I thought it said that it didn't have tags. Wow, this thing is totally brand new. How does it have the Hermes tags that weren't even removed? Like somebody bought this and then never used it and sold it to the RealReal. Okay, well, let me give you a little overview of this. It's coming out pretty bright because the light is right on it. But here is the scarf. And what I was looking for was a scarf that had some turquoise in it. It looks like it's the same on both sides. Yes, it is. And this definitely has the turquoise, and then it also has the browns that will go with the monogram and the damier ben. And it has some purples, it has some green tones, and then it has this yellow, which has been my favorite color lately. So overall, one of my favorite colors is turquoise. I have several turquoise pieces like this one. I just bought this turquoise shirt. So I said in my last video that we've been doing Weight Watchers and I've lost about 20 pounds, so I had to get rid of most of my clothes and buy new clothes, most of which I got at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I found this top there and this turquoise, which I think is really cute, and it just goes very well with the color in this shirt, doesn't it? This shirt I was thinking of when I bought this scarf. So let's look at the tags here together. So it's got the the RealReal tag. It says that once you remove the tag, it's yours. And then I'll tell you what I paid for this. The Twilly scarves are $165 from Hermes, brand new, and I got this for $125, which is pretty good. They don't really go cheaper than that. So on the Hermes paper tag, it says Hermes Paris, and then on this side it says Twilly Twill 100% silk, however you say that in French. Grande, is it Manège Fleur? Cobalt, turquoise, and I don't know what that word is, but I'll hold it up and hopefully you'll be able to see it in case you're interested in what the Hermes tags look like. And I have purchased two Twillys in my New York haul from a year ago. I purchased two Twillies directly from Hermes, so I know that this tag is authentic just by looking at it because I have seen them in person. And then I'm not going to take that off just yet, but I'm going to try to show you the tag that's on the silk. And it says made in France, 100% silk, and then it has dry clean only and the little symbols and stuff. This has become one of my favorite things to do with a Twilly or a bandeau, is wrap it through the rivets on a Noe bag, on a bucket bag. So I'd love that, and it just adds this great pop of color. It ties it into your outfit. It's a good way to wear it. I also love wearing them wrapped around the handles of a handle bag, but then I feel like you can see it better this way. And it's easier to do this way, and it doesn't wrinkle the scarf quite as much, I find, than wrapping the handles. I've also worn them around my wrist as a bracelet, and you can wear it around your neck, but then I feel like you look like a flight attendant